Ever wondered if hybrid engines really are as efficient as they claim to be? Welcome to the future of driving, where the fusion of technology and sustainability is steering us towards a greener, more efficient way of getting from point A to point B. Let's talk about hybrid engines, the mechanical marvels of the motoring world that are redefining what it means to drive. These are not your grandmother's gas guzzlers. Hybrid engines are the new kids on the block, and they're making a big splash in the automotive industry. At their core, hybrid engines are a blend of the old and the new. They combine the traditional internal combustion engine, which we've relied on for over a century, with the electric motor, a symbol of our modern eco-conscious era. This marriage of technologies results in a mechanism that's designed to maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. So, how exactly does a hybrid engine work? Picture this. You're driving along, and as you press the accelerator, the traditional engine kicks in, providing the oomph you need to get moving. But as soon as you're cruising at a steady speed, the electric motor takes over, maintaining your momentum while using less energy. And when you hit the brakes, the electric motor switches roles and becomes a generator, converting the energy usually lost during braking back into power for the battery. It's a beautifully orchestrated dance of technology, where every movement is designed for efficiency. But the hybrid engine isn't just about saving fuel. It's about harnessing the best of both worlds to create a smoother, quieter ride. It's about giving you the power you need when you need it, without the guilt of a heavy carbon footprint. It's about taking the wheel of the future today. To truly understand the efficiency of hybrid engines, we need to dive deeper into how they work. But for now, just know this: the hybrid engine is a game changer, a symbol of progress that's driving us towards a more sustainable future. So buckle up, because the ride is just getting started. Hybrid engines may seem complex, but their magic lies in their simplicity. To understand the wizardry of hybrid engines, let's start with the basics. At the heart of every hybrid car, you'll find two power sources: a traditional gasoline engine and an electric motor, each with its own strength. The gasoline engine excels at high speeds and during longer trips, while the electric motor shines in stop-and-go traffic and at lower speeds. The beauty of a hybrid engine lies in its ability to switch between these two power sources, or even combine them, depending on the driving conditions. Now let's delve a little deeper into the two main types of hybrid engines: series and parallel. In a series hybrid, the gasoline engine isn't directly connected to the wheels. Instead, it charges a battery that powers the electric motor, which in turn drives the wheels. Think of it as a relay race, where the gasoline engine passes the baton to the electric motor. The gasoline engine steps in only when the battery runs low, or when more power is needed, such as during acceleration. On the other hand, in a parallel hybrid, both the gasoline engine and the electric motor can drive the wheels, either together or independently. Picture it as a harmonious duet, where both singers can perform solo or join their voices for a powerful chorus. The control system in a parallel hybrid constantly monitors driving conditions to decide the most efficient way to use the engine and the motor. But you may wonder, why go through all this trouble? The answer is simple: efficiency. Hybrid engines maximize fuel efficiency and minimize emissions by smartly switching between the gasoline engine and the electric motor. When you're cruising at high speeds, the gasoline engine takes the lead. But when you're stuck in traffic or driving in the city, the electric motor steps in, saving fuel and reducing emissions. By now you should have a basic understanding of how hybrid engines function. But how does this translate into efficiency? The true measure of a hybrid engine's efficiency lies in its performance and fuel economy. Now let's delve into the heart of this efficiency and see what sets hybrid engines apart from their traditional counterparts. Hybrid engines are designed with fuel efficiency at their core. But it's not just about using less fuel, it's about getting the most out of every drop. The beauty of a hybrid engine is that it can seamlessly switch between using petrol and electricity, or even combine the two, depending on the driving conditions. This means that the engine is always optimizing for the most efficient mode of operation. But how does this translate to a more environmentally friendly driving experience? Well, by using energy more efficiently, hybrid engines release fewer emissions compared to conventional engines. This means that every journey you take in a hybrid vehicle is a step towards a cleaner, greener future. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting features of hybrid engines: regenerative braking. This ingenious system turns the tables on energy waste. When you hit the brakes in a conventional vehicle, the energy generated is simply lost as heat. However, in a hybrid, this energy is captured and converted back into electricity, which is then stored in the battery for later use. This means that every time you slow down, you're actually helping to power your next acceleration. It's a beautiful example of efficiency in action. But the benefits of regenerative braking don't stop there. By reducing the demand on the engine during deceleration, it also reduces wear and tear on the brakes, making your vehicle more reliable and cost-effective in the long run. Hybrid engines are a masterclass in efficiency. They're designed not just to conserve fuel, but to optimize energy usage in every possible way. By harnessing the power of both petrol and electricity, and by turning waste into a resource, they're paving the way for a more sustainable future of driving. In conclusion, hybrid engines are not just about saving fuel, they're about optimizing energy usage in every possible way. So what makes hybrid engines the game changer in the world of automobiles? Let's take a moment to recap. First off, hybrid engines are all about efficiency. With the power to switch between fuel and electric energy, they make the most of every drop of gasoline and every spark of electricity. They are designed to optimize performance and minimize waste, giving you more bang for your buck. But that's not all. Hybrid engines are also champions for the environment. By consuming less fuel and emitting fewer greenhouse gases, they're helping to drive us towards a cleaner, greener future. And then there's the future potential. With advances in technology and a growing trend towards sustainability, hybrid engines are poised to become even more prevalent in the world of automobiles. Next time you ponder over the efficiency of hybrid engines, remember this: they're not just the future, they're the present, driving us towards a more sustainable world.